Hello YouTube, this is Dr. DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a haul. Primary from this morning, and I also did just get one item in for Creative Moves, which I did not open yet, but it is a template. And this is the template that I got in. It's a recipe template, and I'm sorry, it's upside down. It's called Slices of Life, so you can use this to make multiple different layouts. So just quick, to help me use scrapbook faster. But you can use your pictures in each one of these things, however you want to do them. So I just thought it was pretty cool. So anyway, I buy whenever they come out with them and I can catch them. So that was from TM, and then the rest of the haul is from, you guessed it, TM. Didn't expect. I wanted to return something, and I actually saw a whole bunch of stuff, and most of it, well, it's not new, but anyway, it's August, and I did get this stamp set, and this is everything is Jilibean that I got today. One spell binders. So this is a Jilibean stamp, and it says, "So blessed, thank you, so very thankful, incredibly grateful, unbelievably blessed, together is my favorite place." And so just different things like hello and choose joy. I thought it was really positive, uplifting sentiments, and so that's why I got that, $3.99. This one is be happy. It drives people crazy. That is so true. Actually, they have joy, because you can have pain, you can have your days that you're down, but still have joy. I think this drives people crazy, because that's what my key is. I have joy. I'm anchored in joy, not happiness. Happiness is based on happenstance, and that can change. But joy, regardless of what's going on, you could be sad, you could be mad, but you still got joy because you got peace. And so that passes all understanding. Sometimes you just got to make your own rainbows. Super cute. You're end of the rainbow. Nothing is impossible. You are amazed. You are amaze balls. You are amaze balls. What? I don't get that. But anyway. But anyways, I just thought it was cute with these little, I'm talking about possums. So anyway, whatever, the hedgehogs. So anyway, yeah, I thought it was cute little sentiments. And then this other stamp set. I didn't need no more stamp sets. Bon voyage, thanks, you can go your own way. My tribe, hello. And I actually thought I put this one back, but I got it. Nothing wrong with it, but I thought I'd put it back. But anyway, I got that one. They were all $3.99. Didn't need these stamps, I know. But then they had all the Jilibean stamps. Guys, I thought they were cute. So they had this one that says, "Sending you many. You are my prayers, your way. Walk by faith, not by sight. With God, all things are possible. His love never fails." And then you have a couple crosses, and then you have the dies to go along with it. So it's a 12-piece set. And some of you can see this. And this one is called Thankful. And from all of us so very much, thank you for your kindness. Thankful for everything you do. Thanks. Now, a couple sets I did not get because I already owned them. One with the television set, and I showed you that a year ago or so, that I got from Mr. AC Moore's that closed. I had the telephone set. They have that out there too. The telephone, the teacup, and telephone, teacup, TV. So they're there too, $3.99. And then this is a pizza one. Anyway, you slice it. You've stolen a piece of my heart. I love you to pieces. Your supremacy. You're supremely awesome. Excuse me. And then this one is it's entitled "Spin Wheel." Enjoy the ride. Smile. Birthday. I really like you. Spin happy. You make my world. So you got all these different little fun things. You can make these into shakers and stuff. So cool. They also got the house. It's a whole bunch of them. I got several of them from AC Moore's before, but these are some of the ones actually I didn't have, which I was really excited about. Sorry you're having a rough day. Woofing you. Happy birthday. You're a possum. I dig you. And woof. Like, these were not even at my store. Like, I hadn't even seen these. Yeah, I haven't seen this one at my store either. And this is my happy. Sending birthday and kisses, wishes, love, hugs, and my happy. So you get all of that 20-piece set. Michaels carried them too, but they didn't really carry that many of them. They had the one with the unicorn. Gosh, what else did they have that I didn't get? It was a couple other ones that I already owned. I'll post some pictures on Instagram, DaretoBeCreative one, if you want to check them out, just so you can see the pictures. Flower, or they probably already posted by the time this video is up. Actually, it'll already be posted because this is going to be late in the rotation. Just a note to say, hello, friend, thanks for everything you do. So sorry about that, but it'll be late posted. And this is Bon Voyage, See the World With Me, Sending Bright and Sunny Wishes, Sending Hugs. So all of those, like I said, and they had some more. So they had seasonal ones as well. I didn't need any holiday ones. So if you want some for $3.99, and for someone with $4.99, just a couple of them. I don't know why, what was the difference in them, but yeah, because that's 20 pieces and that's $3.99, and this was 12, and that's that's 14 plus $4.99. I'm not sure. Then I got this last Spellbinders one for $4.99. All the things are wide and free. You belong among the wildflowers. So I like the little die set sets that they had with those. So that's my haul. Very excited about what I got. I hadn't really scored in Tuesday morning in a long time. And yeah, so go check them out. Really good prices for the die sets and the stamps. I mean, you can use these multiple ways. Like 24-piece set, $3.99. That is good. And you can make them into shakers, of course, you know, so. And you don't have to. You can make them into all different things. So, but anyway, so you will, I think, really enjoy these. Have fun with that. So check out your Tuesday morning. Check out my Instagram, DaretoBeCreative1, so you can see more pictures. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.